I love you, I love you, I love you, until I find the day, the only words I know that you, until I say the only words I know that you, until
I know you see it, girl, this ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes.
So I've already washed and conditioned my hair 2 days prior, so this is an old wash and go. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of water just to dampen it a little bit, and I'm going to go in with their leave-in conditioner, which I really love because it has a creamy consistency. So I'm going to apply this throughout my entire head, making sure that I thoroughly saturate it, but make sure that it's not too wet because I don't want the Bantu knots to take a long time to dry. But as you can see, I've sectioned off my hair, and so I'm going to be using the Twist Defining Cream. And as you can see, that the gel, which is going to add a moisturizing hold and shine, a more of a gel-like consistency. So first I'm going to apply the Twist Defining Cream, and I'm just going to take my Denman brush just to smooth it out. And then at the roots, I'm going to do a few twists, and then I'm going to go into twisting or twirling my hair to create the Bantu knot. And then towards the end, I'm going to apply the smoothing gel. And you're just going to go all the way around until you secure the knot. Sometimes you would have to use a bobby pin, but since I have product in my hair, the product is allowing my hair to hold. So I'm just going to repeat that process throughout my entire head. This process took about 30 minutes total. I would definitely recommend sectioning your hair off because it can be a little tiresome trying to I guess organize the Bantu knots if your hair isn't sectioned. So I just worked section by section to make sure that I didn't get too overwhelmed. And again, I'm just going to do a few twists at the roots just to kind of hold it in place, and then twirl it around my fingers to create the Bantu knot.
Beautiful, guys. hours later.
So that is it. As you can see, my Bantu knots are all together. So I am going to allow this to dry. This took about an hour. So next, you want to make sure that you're taking down your Bantu knots while it is 100% dry. Otherwise, it's not going to turn out right. And I'm seeing that my hair is full of shine. It has a lot of definition.
So, hi guys, so like aLiMara, aLiMara, I'm really sorry if I've not said your name right, because I might not have said your name right, but like aLiMara, right, so she parted the side of her hair, so I'm going to part it on this side. I think she might have parted it on the other side, but I'm more of a left side girl, so I'm going to part it on this side. Let's see. She applied some gel, but I'm not. I'm going to apply some of the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges, Oil Perfect Hold on the side like hers. Then I'm going to push it down. I'm really sorry guys, the sun is going in and out, so it will be really bright one moment and then the next moment it's really bright, and so I have to keep adjusting my camera to balance out the scenery. But as we see it now, the sun's come back out, so let's proceed.